So how to lock a rule set version? Okay. So how to lock a rule set version? That's what we are going to do. So a rule set version can be locked. A rule set version can be locked by securing with a password. By securing with a password. You can secure it with a password and you can lock it. Understand? So here you go now. So let's lock. Do what? Just give me 1 minute. It is yours only, right? So what did we do? Locking a rule set version. So before this, what did we learn? Creating a new rule set version. These are the two things we have done. One thing we have done, second one we are going to do. So here you go now. Do you know how to open the rule set? So let's do what? Let's lock. So a rule set version can be locked by securing a password. Let's lock version number 010101 of the rule sets. What rule sets? IMPL, organization, and FW. So these three rule sets, whatever I have shown you previously, for those I have created version 2. Now I'm going to lock. So locking can be done by securing with password, right? You know how to open the rule set version. So rule set. So go to, okay, first IMPL rule set. IMPL rule set. Open rule set definition. Open rule set definition. How do you open it? Implementation application definition. From there, click on edit icon at the rule set. It will open. And now expand version 1, expand version 01. So you expand it. When I say 01, it means patch. I mean patch. Then you click on lock and save. Click on lock and save. Actually, this task will be done by your tech leads. This password will be available with tech leads. Once a version is locked, they won't open the version by password again. Suppose a version is locked and rules are moved to QA server. But in the QA, there is a defect. So defect is being raised, means something is not functioning as expected. Okay, defect is raised by testers. Now, in order for the developers to fix the defect, your tech leads will not unlock the version. They will create a new version, ask you to work in the new version by save as and fix the issue. So I'm just locking it by the password rules. By the password rules. Submit, save this. You can give any password of your wish.